Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture on bar charts. Today, we will explore what a bar chart is, its history, advantages, and limitations. We will also see some examples and how to prepare a bar chart correctly. Let's get started. What is a bar chart? A bar chart is a graphical representation of a project schedule. It displays project activities on the y-axis and time duration on the x-axis. This makes it easy to understand the sequence of tasks and their respective timeframes. The bar chart, also known as the Gantt chart, was introduced by Henry Gantt around the year 1900. His goal was to provide a simple yet effective way to visualize tasks and their durations. Since then, bar charts have been widely used in project management. Imagine we have a small construction project. Here is the bar chart for the same. Now, let's discuss some key advantages of bar charts. One of the biggest advantages of bar charts is their simplicity. They are easy to create and interpret. Bar charts work best for small and medium-sized projects where task dependencies are minimal. Since tasks are displayed in a timeline format, it's easy to see the project's progress. While bar charts have many benefits, they also come with some limitations. As projects grow in complexity, bar charts become cluttered and difficult to manage. Bar charts do not show detailed interdependencies between tasks, making it hard to track complex workflows. For large-scale projects, bar charts do not provide advanced monitoring and control features like other project management tools. In summary, bar charts are a powerful yet simple tool for visualizing project timelines. They are easy to create and best suited for small projects. However, for large and complex projects, more advanced methods like critical path method, CPM, or PERT charts may be required. Now, let us see some example and learn how to prepare a bar chart for a given project. Before preparing a bar chart, let us understand the given project. The table provided outlines a set of project activities, their predecessors, and duration. Let's break it down. Activity column represents different tasks in the project. Predecessor activity shows which task must be completed before the next one can begin. Duration column indicates how long each task will take, in units of time, such as days or weeks. Now, let's visualize these activities in a bar chart, or Gantt chart, and prepare a complete bar chart for a given project. The x-axis represents time, which may be in days or weeks. The y-axis represents activities. To represent any activity on a bar chart, we need start and end points. The start point is determined by the predecessor column. The end point is calculated by adding the activity duration to the start point. If an activity has no predecessor, it is an initial activity and starts from day 0. If an activity has one predecessor, it starts when that predecessor finishes. If an activity has multiple predecessors, it starts after all predecessors have finished. Activity A has no predecessor, so it starts at day 0 and ends at day 3. Activity B also has no predecessor, so it starts at day 0 and ends at day 6. Activity C has no predecessor, so it starts at day 0 and ends at day 5. Activity D starts after both A and B are completed, meaning it starts at day 6, runs for 5 days, and ends at day 11. Activity E starts after B ends at day 6, runs for 5 days, and ends at day 11. Activity F starts after both B and C are completed, meaning it starts at day 6, runs for 4 days, and ends at day 10. Activity G starts after D ends at day 11, runs for 3 days, and ends at day 14. Activity H starts after F ends at day 10, runs for 4 days, and ends at day 14. Activity I starts when all its predecessor activities, E, G, and H, are completed. Since the latest predecessor finishes at day 14, activity I starts at day 14, runs for 5 days, and ends at day 19. Thus, the total project duration is 19 days. This visualization helps us effectively plan and manage the project schedule. Let's take another example. Here, a project is given which consists of 10 activities. Their duration and predecessor relationships are given. Now, let's analyze the given activities. Activity A has no predecessor, so it starts at day 0 and ends at day 2. Activity B starts after A is completed at day 2 and runs for 2 days, ending at day 4. Activity C also starts after A at day 2, runs for 3 days, and ends at day 5. Activity D starts after both B and C are completed, meaning it starts at day 5, runs for 4 days, and ends at day 9. Activity E starts after C ends at day 5, runs for 8 days, and ends at day 13. Activity F also starts after C ends at day 5, runs for 4 days, and ends at day 9. Activity G starts when both D and E are finished, meaning it starts at day 13, runs for 1 day, and ends at day 14. Activity H also starts after D and E are completed at day 13, runs for 8 days, and ends at day 21. Activity I starts when both F and G are completed, meaning it starts at day 14, runs for 4 days, and ends at day 18. Activity J starts after both H and I are completed, meaning it starts at day 21, runs for 1 day, and ends at day 22. Thus, the total project duration is 22 days. This visualization helps us effectively plan and manage the project schedule. Thank you for your attention. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.